Okay, picture the scene. The doorbell just goes and on your doorstep is a box of beautiful supplies that you have been waiting for weeks. This is the bag maker's box, and on this video I'm going to take you through all the different things inside so that you can decide if it's something you want to jump into or not. Here in the UK, we have been waiting for so long to get all the beautiful bag making supplies and goodies that we see our friends across the pond getting almost daily, if not monthly. So I have decided to come up with the bag maker's box. It is from Studio 77. It is curated by me and it is full of beautiful bag making supplies at an affordable price. But there's loads more into it and I'm going to dive into it in this video. So over the months we've had lots of different themes. Each box is specifically themed for that month. It is every other month, so this is a bi-monthly subscription box. I specifically did that not just to stop the overwhelm of myself as a small business so that I could keep it going, but also, and more importantly, for you as a maker to not get overwhelmed with a new box every month and maybe you don't have time to make in that month. So with it being bi-monthly, it's every 8 weeks or so, and you get inspired when you get this box. So inside, what do we get? I'm going to put up on the screen some different boxes that we have had over the months. This is now over a year old. I apologise for not doing a video sooner. I've just not been able to, but hopefully you can get an idea what you get within this box. I also wanted to show you the current box, which is the September box, and go through. I will also put a link to some other creators who have done unboxings in the description below, and of course you can find a link to the bag maker's box as well. So this is the September box, which has been so popular. I went for a purple theme this time with this beautiful embossed webbing, and check out this really unique hardware. I was so pleased to find this supplier. The stickers are always designed by me too, and this happens to be my favourite tea bag. Finally, I chose to include my all-time favourite designer cotton from Tim Holtz. So what do you think of my recent box? Let me know in the comments below. There are a couple left, so do check out the description for a one-off mystery box, which will be this exact box at this time. It is worth noting as well that in the description you're going to find a link to the 12 days of bag making, and this year we have the 24 days of bag making box too. This is a really unique to the UK bag making advent calendar, if you will. It has got 12 individually wrapped things inside, or 24 depending on which you go for. A lot of the items this year are completely bespoke and brand new, never been seen anywhere else, and I have designed them to be in this box. So you're going to find out all about that in the description, but that's not what this video is about, so I'm going to carry on showing you some previous boxes and hopefully give you an idea of this box. So this box is not designed to be a kit, moreover it's designed to be a inspirational box of goodies so that when you open it you can maybe use different things from your stash at home to add to it and make your own unique bag. Now inside your box you're going to find a leaflet, and that leaflet is specific to that box's contents. In there you're going to get 3 different coupon codes for money off from 3 different designers. One of those is one of my patterns from the previous back catalogue, but also you're going to find 2 new designers that maybe you've not heard of that are going to give you coupons off as well. So there's added value in that box. It helps out the designers to be found, and it helps out you as a customer to find new patterns, and you get that added 20% off. You're also going to find in there a list of all the contents for that box so that you know that what you've got inside if you want a cheat sheet, or if you're just not sure what that particular item is. Also, if there is a kind of unique item included in that box, I have done videos for specific boxes, and I have included different QR codes within the box so that you can find out more about that individual item. You'll also find those videos on the channel, so if you want a sneaky peek you can check there too. Now I know a few of you are going to ask about international shipping. We do ship internationally, and in fact these boxes fly all over the world. UK shipping is included in the cost of the box. International customers, if you go to the checkout, enter in your details, you will find out the correct shipping rate for you, and there aren't many countries that we don't ship to. Payment comes out on the 25th before it ships, so our next box is due in November, so it will come out on the 25th of October. Hopefully I've covered everything. I do hope you love this box. We are almost at capacity for the November box. So if you are interested, do check it out. There's a link in the description below. If you have any more questions, comments or queries, please do pop them in the comments box below. You can find all the links, like I say, in the description too. And do reach out to me if you are a designer and you would like to be included in a future box. I'm always looking to collaborate with new designers for upcoming boxes. And if you want to have a little bit more of a sneaky peek, you can watch this video coming up on the screen right now, because this video is going to show you about a previous 12 days of bag making box, the very first one we did. It's changed slightly, but you get an idea of what is included. Okay, everybody, have a great evening or day, and I shall speak to you soon. See you on the next video.